There are two things that are not going to work, and the sooner people realize that, the better for all of us. Sarapina mashoko obuda panguva ino zvinhu zviri kulisitwa panapa naTavani Mupofu achiti pane zvinhu zviviri zvisiri kuzoshanda munyika yeZimbabwe, achivapa nguva achiti aiwa dei vagari munyika yeZimbabwe vakasira kuzviona, otherwise hazvizotishati ndoti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tavani Mupofu mudanyura achiti accusing Chamisa of being bribed by ZANU-PF without tangible evidence to support such allegations. Such claims may occupy us on Twitter, but the ordinary person is no time for them. Gaslighting the anti-2030ists because of truly questionable political decision they made in the past. The middle class sees in them at least a pushback against 2030 that is not coming from other quarters. Zimbabweans are living in different bubbles, and each believes that their immediate environment is all this is to consider. That's self-deception, and that's our current platform. What we need now is leadership, not a single person, that unites these two classes, because both are opposed to ZANU-PF and its many unruly and unworthy shenanigans. Such leadership must also reach out to the disgruntled within ZANU-PF, including all veterans in the army. Those are also truly opposed to the current ZANU-PF. That is what will give us a breakthrough. These are the idea that we must, through decisive and invective language, win debates in pubs and on social media, is what is emboldened ZANU-PF to continue on its ruinous path. Throw them a bone and they will maul each other to death. If they stay in the cocoon, we are guaranteed to die in our situation. Don't be misled by the illusion of perspective. Ndoma developments mashoko anobuda achitoka pakuva iri naTavani Mupofu, lawyer waNelson Chamisa. Pena comment section medu dzakunge emi matuli pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Usaona subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.